Yeah, hi Steve. This is the SketchUp drawing I've got of the area. Give you an idea of the heights and whatnot. So I'll just take you around. You can see the fences. We'll hide the fences. Oh, it's probably not that helpful, but so there's the raised garden box, veggie garden box. That's what we're going to have the rocks cladding on the front of it, preferably. I've got these pavers here. They're called Little Hampton pavers. I think they'll suit your house. They'll match your house, and we're going to use the same pavers in the brick edging here as well. In this scenario, I have the pool raised up at around 500 mil, so that's grass level, and it's 500 mil higher than it. All these beds here, 500 mil higher than the decking level, and then this wall at the back, I believe it's about 1500 off the decking level, and the fence line currently I've got it measured at 1800 high off the grass level. I put some glass tiles in the pool, so I'm thinking perhaps you might get glass tiles down here. The stone wall at the back, maybe keep the garden boxes just rendered in the same render as the front of your house on your pillars. I think that's ironstone or something. We wouldn't put this block wall at the back, we just put timber in there. Save the money and effort. You'll never see it once all the plants are grown in there. We've got decking on here now. I know you're saying bluestone, so that's still possible, but there are a couple of options where, well, there's pretty much anything, but this could be glass up here, glass tiles, or mosaics right up the whole wall, so it's a nice clean mosaic wall. Then perhaps put that onto the garden boxes here, or just keep that down here. There's many options. It's just going to be up to you guys, really. Yeah, and then I've got the circles here, crazy pave leading to the pool gate there, the fence. And the fence will go over the top of these, the ends of these garden boxes too, because they'll have to be that height. I haven't put a step in just in front of the gate, but that can be put in later if need be. The planting's not indicative of what we're going to put in, but this tree, this is a golden, what I'd call a golden elm, and I think that'd be a good tree to put in. It's quite large, and it will lose its leaves, but it will provide a lot of shade and protection from the northwest on the decking area and that. So, and then I've got fit the little shed in there. This can all be changed, so it gives you an idea of the height. just let me know what you think. I'll send you some links through on these pavers here, these little Hampton ones. The other thing we can do as well is these Hampton pavers, which I haven't done here. I'll show you, for instance, what we can do is we could run these pavers along the top edge of there too, which I think would look really good, and then have just the bottom edge rendered. I might have a picture of something similar to that you can look at. Let's have a look. Something like that, but they would actually have you overhanged, and it'll be 50mm edge. So yeah, it's not exactly like it, but get the idea. Or you could also possibly do them in house bricks as well, and do something else. You can pave that. I think actually the little Hampton bricks around the pool might look pretty good. You could have perhaps even a bluestone pool coping going around here, and then the Hampton bricks in there, or vice versa, or possibly Hampton bricks all along the edge around the pool, bluestone in the middle. It gives it that break and a clean edge, and it would help with and then put the stacking stone underneath that edge there. I think that would look pretty good actually. So run brick edging all on top of these beds, along the edge of the pool coping is your pool coping, along this front edge, bluestone all in the middle, this rock cladding along the front there. You could probably also do all this in the brick edging at the top like that, and then the cladding on the side here, and then tie it all in quite nicely with the house, and then the bluestone rounds. So yeah, I think that could be an option as well. So there's a few things to think about. And let you look a little bit more. I just don't want to turn the camera too fast. So whether you use green mosaics, I think I like the idea of green mosaics if you do use the tiled pool, because it gives it a green look to the water, which I kind of like the idea of. So more lagoon than beach, if that makes sense. So you get the idea of the heights, and I was thinking we could go maybe 300mm here, so that so you're just walking one step up into there, but and then we'll increase the height of this back wall a tad, so it's the same height as, well, it would look higher because this would be lower, but I'm not sure about, we have to work out how to go that high. We can't have, if you have this sort of sheer descent waterfall, which I've got in there, they can't really be much more than what's the measurement here? So from pool edge, it's 797mm there, so that's 800 off the water, but they don't reckon more than 1200, so we could increase that to there. which will look pretty impressive, I think. And I didn't mean to put that offset, the sheer descent waterfall thing, but it actually doesn't look too bad, just sort of offset, just as a point of difference, I guess. I mean, everyone would just put it directly in the middle, but rule of thirds, you could have it off to the side, and yeah, I think that could work. So I'm just going to try and pull this down to show you a different height, but it's not going to quite work at the moment because everything in the way. No, I think you get the idea. So I'll talk to you about it later. See ya.